Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun, really easy layered card for you. This is my You Got This card. Isn't that fun with that graphic front cover panel? Of course there's a spot inside for your message, and I've included an envelope as well. This card can be made on any other Cricut cutting machines. If you're going to be using the Cricut Joy, you just have to make sure to use a pre-made card base. The card is super simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. So here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to go ahead and click the sign in button. If you are not a member of my site, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll scroll down the page and you'll find the different membership tiers. We have free, monthly, and annual memberships to choose from. Once you've gone ahead and signed up, you can go ahead and click the sign in button. Go ahead and fill in your credentials and log in. Now we're back at the home page after we've logged in. To get to the file library, you can head to the Files tab and click File Library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 158. That's the You Got This card. Go ahead and click this download icon and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. If you're going to be making this on the Cricut Joy, you can go ahead and just delete the envelope, delete the inlay panel, and delete the card base, because you're going to need to use a pre-made card base and a pre-made envelope to use this file with a Cricut Joy. But since I'm using the Cricut Maker, we need to do some converting. So let's scroll down the Layers panel. We're going to find the score line for the envelope. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And now lastly, we need to change the pen line for the front cover panel. That is this top layer right here. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Pen. You can change the color right here if you wish. I'm going to use the Geode. Then highlight the group and attach. Now that those things have been converted, we can head up to Make It. I'm going to be using the mat for this project, and you'll see the 3 different mats. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything's been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel and then our front cover panel. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, now that we have those done, we can go ahead and set them to the side. Now we're going to take our card base and fold and burnish along the score line. Let's go ahead and open up the card and add our messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close the card up and add the front cover panel. And there is our card. Let's set that to the side and we can go ahead and work on the envelope. So for the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take your inlay panel and add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Take your inlay and place it over the cutout on the envelope. So go ahead and flip the envelope around and bring those side flaps in. Add your glue to the bottom of the side flaps. Take your thumbs and push up on the bottom flap and press. And then that forms our envelope. Isn't this card super simple? Like I said in the beginning, I love the front cover panel. It's so graphic and so cool. This card would be perfect for encouraging your friends or family who might be having a little bit of a hard time, whether it be their personal life, work life, or just having a bad day. I know after the holidays people kind of struggle with getting back into the groove. I certainly am. So this card would be a perfect way to encourage them. If you make this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of crafty friends who love to inspire and motivate each other. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!